Attorney Renz, pwede bang magpato kahit wala yung may-ari ng sasakyan? Tara pag-usapan natin. Hi guys, I'm Attorney Renz of Respicio & Company Law Firm. So meron po tayong classic problem. May sasakyang nakaharang sa gate o naka-illegal park sa kalsada. Pwede mo bang ipato kahit wala yung owner? The short answer po is oo. Pwedeng mato ang sasakyan kahit wala ang may-ari, pero dapat authorized at may legal na basihan. Sa Metro Manila po, may guidelines ang MMDA at Metro Manila Council na nag-aalaw ng towing ng illegally parked o nakaharang na mga sasakyan kahit wala po yung driver, basta pasok sa certain rules. Number 1, dapat may violation, no parking or obstruction ba yan? Number 2, dapat accredited ang tow truck. Number 3, dapat may proper documentation at huli, dadalhin dapat sa tamang impounding area yung sasakyan. Pero mahalaga po na malaman natin na hindi pwedeng basta-bastang tumawag ng kung sino-sinong private tow company para lang ipagalaw yung kotse ng inyong kapitbahay. Pwede po yung mauwi sa liability like damage to property and even sometimes criminal liability. Ang may kapangyarihan magpato usually ay MMDA, traffic enforcers, o yung local government units natin under certain local ordinances. Hindi po isang random homeowner. Tandaan po, kung may nakaharang na sasakyan, number 1, i-document mo ito, i-picture mo, i-video mo. Number 2, i-report sa barangay o traffic enforcers. And pangatlo po, hayaan mo na yung authorized people ang magpatawag ng towing vehicle. Huwag po ikaw. Again, this is Attorney Renz of Respicio & Company Law Firm. Please like, share, comment, and follow.